Ogie at Regine na huling nagpi-PDA sa VIP premiere ng Ouija. Matapos ang well-publicized na pag-amin ng dalawa tungkol sa kanilang relationship, pinapanood ang bawat galaw nila. And the couple does not disappoint. Ngayong nakabalik na sila from Australia, handa na ang dalawa ipakita sa mundo just how much they love each other.
Kahit paano, we want to have a normal relationship. So,
Kasi, parang this is so new to me, showbiz. So, medyo kinakabahan pa ako. Parang di ko alam ganito pala yung feeling. It's so nakaka-tense.
Kasabay ng paglantad na ito ay ang openness ng dalawang pag-usapan kung ano ang tunay na ganap sa Australia, kung saan nakatira si Michelle Van Imeren.
Nagkita lang kami. I went to their house.
Si Regine's been there twice.
Christmas.
Kaya lang this time weird nga kasi nanggaling siya doon. Tapos ako naman pumunta doon.
Hindi kami nagkita.
Sadyang ganyan yata ang mundo, napakaliit na.
Usap ko yung father niya kasi birthday.
Si Martin.
Si Martin kasi birthday niya when I was there. I invited them to watch the show pero kasi medyo busy sila. So, tsaka wala rin time I also didn't have time to really talk to them talaga Isang beses ko nga lang siya na-text. But I was able to talk to Martin.
It seems na kasabay ng pag-a-adjust ng dalawa sa kanilang public relationship ay ang usap-usapang gagawa sila ng isang romantic comedy movie together.
I think in this movie makikita nyo na yung acting prowess naman. Tama ba yan? Ni Ogie Alcázar.
Asus.
Na.
Wag
Hindi
na.
naman siya
Wag na mag-act.
Meron, of course, magpapatawa siya, but
Nabasa
I think
ko yung
sila,
sorry.
I think,
I'm so sorry.
I think what they're trying to do is
Hindi mo kinaya,
show the other
Ruel.
side of Ogie. Hindi naman comedy.
Well, if this is any indication, siguradong magiging sweet na sweet ang dalawa on screen as they are in real life.